I'm going to show you how to do a purl 3 together, yarn over, purl 3 together. It's also known as a p3tog, yarn over, p3tog. It is a beautiful textured knitting stitch. We use it in our Preemie Star baby blanket. It's not an increase nor a decrease. You're still going to end up with 3 stitches on the needle at the end. So let me show you how we do this. You go in by the first, second and third stitch. Pull those 3 stitches together, wrap the yarn around, pull through, but we're not going to drop it off the needle. You're going to take your yarn, wrap it around the needle, and then we're going to pull those 3 stitches together again. So insert your needle, wrap around, pull it through, and now we can proceed to drop the 3 stitches off the needle. Let me show you once more. Pull 1, we're going to pull 3 together, 1, 2, 3, not going to drop it off the needle, wrap the yarn around, and we're going to pull those 3 stitches together again, pull it through, and now we can drop those 3 stitches off the needle. And that is how we do a purl 3 together, yarn around, purl 3 together stitch.